Hi, today we're going to review Sugru. So Sugru is like blue tack or putty. It's moldable into whatever shape that you want, and once it hardens, it's like it becomes really hard. Okay, so let's have a look. So original formula, moldable glue. So it contains methyl tricks, silane, and aminopropyloxysilane. I'm not sure if that's right, but that's what it's made of, and that's all it is. I bought a 3 pack online for about €20. It's an Irish company, and this one is in black. It comes in an assortment of colors, I think like white, red, blue. I've seen a few other colors as well, and you can mix and match. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some Sugru on this laptop stand. So the metal bits will touch my laptop and I don't want it scratching the surface. So I'm going to put some Sugru on this to reinforce it. And here has kind of sharp edges, so I don't want it scratching up my laptop. So let's do this. So let's open up the Sugru. So here it is. You don't get that much with it. Okay. So here is what you get in a pack. Not that much. Okay. So I'm going to break off bits and pieces. What I've noticed is that it's really sticky, and if you know what blue tack is like, it's not as sticky as blue tack. And maybe you can zoom in on this, but it's leaving a residue on my fingers right now. But I noticed that it's really sticky, and there's like bits and pieces kind of just falling off, sticking onto my skin. Yeah, that one's stuck there. Gonna have to wash that off. It's not as easy to shape as blue tack or putty. Okay, so that's one done. Start off with this one here. Yeah, it's starting to stick more on my skin now. I don't know if that's because I'm sweaty, but it's starting to stick on my fingers. I don't know if it would be any different if I use latex gloves. Oh, tore apart there, but it's okay. Should have to stick it back. Okay, I still have a bunch more. Just gonna use a bit more of it. Maybe just round off places where I kind of missed. Put some more here. I wish I could make it smoother, but it's taken my fingerprints to shape my fingerprints. Notice wherever I touch leaves some of this residue. Okay, and that's it finished. Here are my hands afterwards. So what I'll do is, it takes 24 hours for it to set. So I'll leave it overnight and check back in tomorrow. So here's a quick follow-up to the Sugru. So the Sugru has dried, has turned into this kind of soft plastic. As you can see here. Overall, most of it stayed stuck on. There's still a smell, like a residue still from it, so I'm not sure if this is going to mark up my laptop. Yeah, seems decent enough, but I wouldn't use it for holding anything. So I've seen it used to repair shoes, to make like holders for your headphones and things like that. If you check out the website, it has loads of cool ideas for what to use for Sugru. So the pros are it's moldable. It's completely moldable. You can shape it and use it for whatever you want, really. The cons are the price. I paid about, I think it was 19.99 euros for it, so it was quite expensive. And the residue that it left on my hands was quite difficult to wash off. I needed to use a hard sponge to get it off my fingers, and there is a nasty smell off of it. If you don't like that smell, it'll probably make you sick. Yeah, it's a good idea. Would I buy it again? Probably not. It's too overpriced for such a small amount that you get with it. Yeah. Any questions? Leave them down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.